This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a high probability spot, a game trail or water source 10 to 20 yards away. Once chosen, mount the camera at chest height, facing along the trail to maximize trigger angle. You should insert a freshly formatted SD card and new batteries or hook up a 12V pack. Make sure the date and time are correct. Then power on, set basic modes, and take one test photo so you confirm framing and sensor response before leaving the site. You now fine-tune operation. Choose photo, video, or hybrid mode depending on your goal, and set resolution to balance image quality with storage use. Next, adjust trigger sensitivity and detection zone so it ignores vegetation movement. Lower sensitivity if false triggers occur. Set trigger interval or recovery delay to avoid duplicate captures, and enable time-lapse or nightly schedule to save battery during inactive hours. Once done, double-check file naming and write protect settings. You finish by securely mounting the camera and locking it if theft is a concern. Camouflage surrounding tape or brush but never obscure the lens. Once deployed, monitor test captures at dusk and dawn to confirm coverage and adjust aim as needed. If you return and find no images, troubleshoot. Check battery voltage, test a different SD card, re-aim the sensor lower or higher, and update firmware if available. If false triggers persist, reduce sensitivity or clear nearby heat-moving vegetation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.